I'm not really good in looks like this, but I love your honesty, telling them beforehand that you're about to waste their time. It's not every creator that can do that. But I don't want to be staying in the box anymore. I want to be coming out. I want to do things that are challenging, not always a fine girl style. Hi lovers, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So I saw this look up here and I want to recreate it. Okay, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joy. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. So let's just go. So to start, the first thing is to put black eyeshadow on my eyes. I don't want to use, should I have used black liner or black lips and then use eyeshadow so that it will be really dark for me? So let me use this black, is it lip tint or what? Let me use it first and cover every part of my eyes like this. I think I'm okay with that color, so I'm using my eyeshadow to set it. I'm not really good in looks like this, but I love your honesty, telling them beforehand that you're about to waste their time. It's not every creator that can do that. But I don't want to be staying in the box anymore. I want to be coming out. I want to do things that are challenging, not always a fine girl style. So I'm going to take this. This is just paper that I constructed. I hope your neighbor's pants are still safe because that doesn't look like paper to me. It looks like something else. And I put foundation on it, just paper. So I'm gonna take it and then place it. So this is the scar wax I made, homemade scar wax. So I'm just going to take my eyeshadow glue and put round, then I will stick this scar wax together with this paper on my skin, okay? Because if I should run out of eyeshadow glue, man, what else am I doing? So right now I'm placing the scar wax, the homemade scar wax, the places I need it. So this it's not making any sense to me right now, but just keep going. Let me trust the process, okay? Keep going. I think this is the flattest this can get. I really tried to make it to look so flat, but I think this is the flattest this can get. So I'll start first of all. Oh shit! What happened to my beauty blender? I'll first of all start with a darker shade of foundation. Yeah. And why are you using darker shade? So that it won't be too noticeable, okay? But I can still see the lines and the rough edges. Maybe the video is meant for people with poor eyesight. Yeah, something like that. I wish I was able to make this flatter more, but we'll see. I'm more worried about how the outside blends, that's the outer part blends than the inside, because I'm going to use rhinestone. So for the inside, I can use rhinestone to disguise something, but outer part, I need it to be so nice. Me, I'm more worried about our time that you're wasting here. How's my own? I think I'm loving the nose part. Now it's time to put my normal shade of foundation. We still have some errors here and there, but we'll fix them. My foundation is almost finished. Jesus. So let's add some blush. It's time for the rhinestone. The Vaseline on this thing won't let it stop shining. Just shining, shining, shining. So before I start adding the rhinestones, I'll first of all put my lash glue here. So let's go with this, adding the first one. See, that's the first one there. This is not as easy as it looks. Oh my god, what did I put myself into? Where's that box? And why are you looking for the box? I want to go back. Who carried the box? Well, I carried it. It's not that I want to go back. Because I'm tired. Laziness is not allowed here. The rule of the box says once you're out, you can't get back in. So what you started, you must finish. Okay, so just write on. I want to give up. But since my box is no more here, let me continue. Oh, Nepa, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am back. You know, I love what they did with the lights because you've been on this for far too long, okay? So I love what Nepa does. Is it Nepa that call it the more? Is it BEDD? What? Whatever. People that are in charge of lights, okay? I love what they did. Ignore this one. Let's go. So moving on to the other eyes. This particular one. Let's do it. We can, okay? Well, I'm not sure you can. I'm just trusting the process. That's just it. We are done with the first line. I think I got the structure of this one better than this one. Are your eyes deceiving you? You didn't get anyone. Both are looking like trash. Trash. I never asked for your opinion. So stay there, okay? I will always give my opinion willingly. You don't have to ask for it, okay? That's why I'm here for you. Guys, so as I was saying, I think I got this one better, but let me just finish up. At this point, I am tired. Whew. Who sent me? Oh god. That's the final look. Tell me, is it a yes or a no? It's a big no. No with capital letter. I know you say you didn't ask me, but I still have to answer anyways. It's a big no. No, no, no. This is what we got at the end. This is the lesson I am going with. So we made some mistakes, but we're getting better. Okay, next time we're going to do better. All right. So thank you for watching this video. You really need to thank them because it's not easy allowing someone waste your time like this. So lovelies, I'm joining her to say thank you so much. Plus, if there is anyone watching, okay. You know what? I don't have your time, okay? I don't have your time. I don't have your time. I tried. I did. You did not try anything. Stop giving yourself hope. You did not try. You didn't. Check the first image and check what you've done. Is it looking the same? Is it looking alike? You didn't try. You failed. So thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye. Bye.